Hey guys, what is up? It's Danish here, and today I'm just going to be teaching you how to change out the headlights on your Mark 5. I'm pretty sure it's the same on Jettas, but for sure the Rabbits with the little eyebrow. So first thing you're going to want to do is take off the grill. All it is just two T25s, one on that side, one on that side. And there's two clips which are right here, one right there. And then you just pop it out. I'm sure there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube. You can watch that. And then after you pop that out, you're going to grab a T25 screw again. There's going to be a screw right here. Might be a little bit hard doing this with one hand, but I'm pretty sure I can do it. So remove this one. So that screw right there. Then you're going to move this screw right up here. And same thing, T25. Actually, all the screws that hold in the headlights are T25, so all you'll need is a T25 bit. And then that's out. Next thing you want to do is pop out this eyebrow, because there's actually a screw hidden inside of here. So I'll catch you right then. Alright, so when it comes to the eyebrow, I'm sure there's a more safe way to do this, and a more recommended way. I'm actually using a metal spatula and just wrapping my shirt around it. Of course, I could just grab another shirt or plastic spatula in the beginning. But this is what I'm doing. So you're going to go on this corner right here, and actually get on this side. You're going to go on this corner, and then just going to pry it in there, and then you can see it kind of start coming out. Just work your way along, and it should eventually pop out, yeah. So yeah, all it is just clips inside there, and it is, probably shouldn't drop that as hard, but as you can see, it's just plastic. No scratches or anything, just really dirty. And now we can get to that last screw, which is right in this one, I believe. So the last T25 screw that you're going to have to remove is in this very last hole under the eyebrow. Let me see if I can get my flashlight inside there. Well, just my phone to light it up in there. So now that you see where that screw is, let's get to it. This is going to be a little bit hard, but I'm going to try and do it so you guys can actually see inside there. So it's like really hard to see it and actually get to it. But once you actually try and do this yourself, you'll see the screw that I'm talking about. There we go. And just loosen that bad boy up. There we go. Should be coming out any second now. Just don't want to drop it in there. That was my biggest fear when I was doing the other side. So now that it's really loose, this is not magnetic, so I don't want to drop it in there, so I'm actually just going to basically finger hook my car to get the screw out. There we go. Got it out. Now that you've removed that screw right here, and this screw up here, all you're going to want to do is just disconnect the light from, or disconnect the plug from the actual light. So I don't know if you can really see, but there's a little clip right there, and all you're going to want to do is just pull it back, and then you're going to pull the clip back, and it should come undone. So let me try and do that right now. Like I said, I'm in my garage right now, so it's a little bit hard to get the lighting right, but should just clip it. There we go. Really hard to see because how dark it is, but there it is undone. And I don't know if you can see where it plugs into the actual light, but it's right below it. So now on to actually removing the headlight, all you're going to want to do is just basically grab it and just wiggle it out. You're going to want to go slow just to make sure you don't damage the light, but it's actually a lot easier to pull it out as I struggle. But it's actually easier to pull it out than it is to put the aftermarket ones in. So just keep that in mind. There we go. Nice milky lens. So all you're going to do with the new headlight is just basically do reverse the way you did for the old one. But for some reason, or at least for me, I find it a little bit trickier to install the new headlights, but it is able to get done. And then what I found easier was going at an angle and then kind of grabbing it from the back and pulling it in. And there we go, that's basically it. Yes, and once you have it in place, all you're going to do is just grab your old screws and re-screw everything back and you should be good. So here I have the old screws. This one with the washer goes on top. I'm gonna put these right here. And actually on my tool. So just pick up the headlight and line up the hole. There's a hole right here where the screw's gonna go in, obviously. Just line it up, put the screw in, and then tighten it as much as you can. There we go. So now I'm going to grab this screw up here. Oh, as I drop it. Grab this screw up here. I'm going to do this bottom screw. And just tighten that bad boy up. You can see it, how the light kind of shifts as you tighten it. So it's kind of setting into place. There we go. Making sure it's not wobbling from the top or anything. Grab your last screw. And then this one's a tricky one. This is the one that's deep in here. Alright, so here's me attempting that last screw that's deep inside here. Don't roast me if there's an easier way, just let me know. Because honestly, there probably is an easier way, I'm just being dumb about it. So what I like to do is I like to just place the screw on top, make sure it's nice and snug. It will be a little bit loose, but should be good. And I'm going to see if I can slide that boy right in. Woo. Oh! Oh. Alright, attempt number 2, here we go. First time I did it on the light over there, I didn't fail. But of course, the moment I start recording, I can't even get it in. So, part 2, or round 2. Let's see if I don't fail this time. Oh. Alright, so here's attempt number 3. I dropped the screw in there twice now. And this time it actually took me a few minutes to get it back. There it is. Alright, attempt number 3, 2 times charm. I said 2 times charm, god damn it. Alright, this time I will not fail. This is for my few people that actually watch my channel. Slow and steady. I wish I could see in there, that's the only problem. It's like... I'm so focused right now. There we go. Oh, no. No. Start going in there, you little screw. There we go. Alright, so now it's in there. I'm just going to tighten it up real quick. And then I'll catch you guys once it's all tight. So once you get all the screws nice and tight, just that screw right there, screw down there, and the screw that's deep inside there. All you're going to want to do is just go in here. I know it's really dark. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Oh, instead of flashlight, I got Snapchat. So, as I take forever, there we go. So all you're going to want to do is just connect the new plug-in from the headlights, which is right here, which I'm not even showing on camera. Right there. Connect this into the old one, which is right down there. So, I don't know if I can try and record this, but it's really simple. It just connects and snaps in place, and that's all you gotta do. So I know this angle won't really show it, but I just want to demonstrate. So here's the new plug-in. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the old plug-in is right down here. I can't pull it any further because this is one from Volkswagen, so it's pretty deep in there. But all you do is just line them up, and you should hear that clicking sound. And then after that's done, everything should be good to go. Last thing I almost forgot to mention is that you want to get your eyebrow from the car, and all you do is just line it up, and it should just snap right back in place. You can see there's clips right there. It's not really focusing, but there's clips right there, and it just snaps into place. You can just basically just do that, just smack it in place, and there you go. There's the new headlights. Let me actually focus it. There's the new headlights. Look pretty nice. Look a lot better than these old milky ones. Here's my grill. I'm going to reinstall this right now. And there you have it, guys. That's how you install aftermarket headlights or replace your headlights on your 2007 or just MK5 Rabbit. I'm pretty sure it's the same process for the Jettas and GTIs. I'm not entirely sure though, because of the screw that's in here. I'm not too familiar with how their body's formed, but I'm sure it's pretty similar. So yeah, that's how they look. Let me turn the lights on real quick so you guys can actually see how the LEDs look. I think they look really good, especially with the blacked out casing inside. But yeah, I'll turn them on right now so you guys can see. And then I'll probably be posting videos at night so you guys can see what they look like at night too and how bright they are. And yeah, thank you for watching. Alright guys, here's first of all a test to make sure the lights actually work. But this is how they look if they do actually work.